problems 3, 4, 5, and 6, you're to use your inverse trig functions on your calculator in order to be able to find these angles. So what you're going to do is you look at sine of angle L is equal to 0.6691. What you'll do is you'll go hit the second button or the shift button on your calculator and type in sine, and up on your screen you should get something like this: sine minus 1 with the parentheses. Now you input your 0.6691 and hit enter, and what you should get is an angle measurement. Now that's of course making sure that you're in your mode, you're in degree mode and not meridian mode. So if you do that, you should get approximately 42 degrees. So that means that the measure of angle L is approximately 42 degrees. Okay? Doing the same thing with number 4 then. We'll go shift or second cosine, and now you'll get cosine minus 1 paren. Now input your 0.2588 close paren, hit enter. So now your measure of angle L is approximately equal to 75 degrees. These are approximations. Do the same thing with number 5 then. So angle L has a tangent of 1.2799, so we go second or shift tangent, and now up on your screen you should get a tan minus 1. Input your decimal 1.2799, hit enter, and now you should get a reading. So measure of angle L is approximately should be 52 degrees. And finally we have tangent L equals 1, so we go tan minus 1, 1, and here we're going to get an exact. The measure of angle L is exactly equal to 45 degrees. On problem number 7, we're supposed to find the measure of angle X. So I look at the triangle from the perspective of X, and I see that this is my opposite side. This is my hypotenuse, and this is my adjacent side. So looking at what's given to me, I have opposite and adjacent. That would be the ratio of tangent. So if I'm looking for this, so I'm going tan, whoops, did that backwards. Let's try that again. How do you get it backwards in? So tangent X equals 4.4 over 8.3, opposite over adjacent. So my calculator, I'll go tan minus 1 and input that ratio, 4.4 divided by 8.3, and then I hit enter, and I should get measure angle X is going to be approximately 28 degrees. Okay? Going to number 8, here again identifying the sides that are given to us. 20 is your hypotenuse, and 11 is your adjacent, and the ratio we would use, adjacent over hypotenuse, is going to be cosine. So we know cosine X is 11 over 20. So we type in shift or second cosine, so we get cosine minus 1. Type in your ratio, 11 divided by 20, and then we should get a measurement. So the measure of angle Y here is going to be approximately 57 degrees. And now doing the same thing for number 9. Let's give ourselves a little more space here. So for number 9, here I'm looking at the angle, and I know that 16 is my hypotenuse, and this is my opposite. So this would be a sine ratio, opposite over hypotenuse. So I know the sine of x is equal to 14 over 16, which can be reduced to 7/8. Okay? So I'm going to go second sine, so sine minus 1. Input the ratio, 7 over 8. And we should have the measure of angle x then is going to be approximately 61 degrees.